Arrived at a park named Ritsurin, and oh my gosh, it's so huge and very many trees. It's all green color and really like fresh here. You can see like a jungle or forest, I think. And ticket counter. I don't know how much. That it costs for one person. There's always there are kind of like boating activity in the garden. Oh my god, I cannot, I don't know what words can like describe my feeling about this garden, and it's so huge. I cannot like, I feel like it's like an Amazon jungle in Japan. And you see, I think this if goes to this garden in the autumn, and all the leaves like will get red. It's autumn season, and it's really beautiful and it's all red. So you can see the kind of like Japanese style traditional like trees like bonsai here. I have just bought a matcha tea, matcha ice cream. Sorry, matcha ice cream. This is a small waterfall here. Its name is Okedoi Waterfall. There, souvenir shop, but I don't want to buy anything. It look not so nice, and the price kind of expensive. And my lunch udon. Shopping at the shopping street. It kind of, I go by myself, and they are good group. Oh my gosh. Just like so the shop like where all the price is just like 100 yen, just about $1. I have many times, and some item is very good price and very cute. At the Uniqlo, and I buy one shoes for myself, and I would buy for my trip in Philippines in June. So staff at GU store just give me the card for the discount for members. I am not a member of this store, but I asked him like, and then he voluntarily like give me this card, and so nice. Thank you. About like 8 p.m. now. I'm just finished a very long day walking so much, and my leg is so tired and it's really painful. I'm shopping a lot with domestic for friends. I buy for myself like higher like clothes. So tired. My foot is really hurt. Good morning. I'm just checked out the hotel now. Just go out for the convenience store to go buy some kind of instant food to go to bring to the airport for lunch today. And it's pretty cold now, and just 11 degrees Celsius. So it rained last night, so it's very cold. Just finished the 3 days today. So tired. Today is a long day. I feel so tired. Everybody feels tired because the turbulence on through the flight during flight is so severe. It's so horrible. This is the most horrible turbulence I have ever had in the time I am being a cabin crew. So tomorrow I fly again the afternoon duty. So have a sleep tonight and fly tomorrow. So goodbye and see you next time.